I'm here today with my cousin, and we're going to be making slime. So, obviously, you can see he has this palette of slime that he's been collecting that I've obviously made. He has a teal color, a purple color, which I obviously made out of this nasty slime. Nasty. So, I have the ingredients to change this disgusting, weird, slimy, confetti slime, green, disgusting looking slime into beautiful slime that I just showed you. So first we got this mixer, which is actually from my hamster, but my hamster died. It's really sad, but I use it now because I don't want to throw everything away that I got from him, which I have like a whole pile of stuff in my closet. So we put the slime in here and we mix it. That's how we mix it. I got the scraper to scrape eyeshadow off. The eyeshadow palette that I've had like for 100 years. Yeah, so I'm using that. Have lotion and shaving cream. Now we gotta put lotion. Put a big glop in there. Oh yeah, big glop. Ooh, I should not use this lotion. This is like a good lotion, but I don't care because I got it. Because I can just buy some more. So that's how much you want, pretty much. If you're making a small batch, that's what I keep reusing this time. And then you pick a color. What color do you want, Hunter?
Yellow.
Unless that color. I'll try yellow.
Okay.
Okay, yellow in. But I doubt this is gonna cover. The green. So you want to put the eyeshadow in with that too. Here's a little kind of yellow. It's kind of. I don't know. Now I gotta go to get a different palette because all of the yellow is gone. Got my I Love one. I'm gonna open that up and see if we got yellow in it. Good thing we got yellow in it. Okay. Gonna scrape that in there. We're not using all of it because I've already used this blue for his teal. So we're gonna just do the same thing as we did. Light enough yellow in there. Okay, I think that's enough yellow. Now we mix. Funny thing is, it actually mixes.
Why are you spraying at me?
I don't know. And then you mix with your material. Shut up, man.
Oh,
Mix,
baby.
mix, mix. Make me, bro! Make me! I do want to go. Let's go. Let's go. You want that doesn't hurt me. That doesn't hurt me.
Really? I know it.
I don't think you'll be able to have yellow because this is a very light yellow. Obviously, as you can see. Now let's let it spin for a little while and mix. Yeah.
Stop.
Okay. Now you take the kind how much you want. Ew, slimy. Ew. Disgusting. Take how much you want. I'm obviously taking out the confettis in this just because I don't like them in there. They're disgusting, but yeah. So I'll come back to you when I got all the confetti out, which is right there on the counter. And yeah, do that. And then spin. I'm kidding, don't spin. Just go like that.
Lisa, that's sticky.
What?
The teal's sticky.
Here. I'll add shaving cream to it. Okay, mix. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna make yellow that good. Mix. Maybe it will. Not for sure. Or it's just gonna make a diarrhea green. It's already a diarrhea green, so I can't. So no. It used to be actually a honey color until I added blue stainable lipstick. Which I never saw that again. I don't know why. And time for the shaving cream.
Why do you keep on making that sound?
Because I like to. And I want to.
Do it.
And you can't control me.
Do it then.
Or do that. that again. Rap. Not rap. Beatbox. Stupid. Oh yeah. It's making yellow actually. That's a good thing. I can't. Don't even listen to us. We are bad at this crap. I don't know what he's doing.
No, he's bad. I'm good.
Yeah? Yeah? I have to go. Found out our chickens laid eggs. And I'm excited to eat them. But we don't have a hen yet. But we're getting a hen this year, so that'd be lucky. You like your yellow?
Yes.
It's like a diarrhea green.
You meant yellow? It's like yellow. God.
Okay, so we're done using all the shaved cream. Gotta knead it in.
On the video, it looks really.
Now, what time is it? 3. Wait.
Tap 4?
Last step, but not least step, you add more
Yes.
lotion. Oh crap. Stop beatboxing or whatever you're doing. We suck at it.
No, Macy. Beatbox challenge then.
How about singing challenge?
Beatbox.
Sing!
Oh, I hate singing on YouTube.
1, 2, 3, more to say. Your turn.
No, I'm gonna make the sound.
Okay, go. Go. 1, 2, 3, more to say. No, don't listen to us. Don't listen to us. Maybe we should have just like paused the video, you know.
We like singing.
Shut up! Here's your yellow. You like it?
It looks like a natural green. Real.
Diarrhea green.
I know.
Like, tell me this doesn't look like yellow. Okay, we'll try again. Okay, more yellow eyeshadow.
No, fine.
Never mind.
Orange.
No, not orange.
Where's your yellow?
Prick up.
What's a teal? That's teal.
Yeah, this yellow buddy ain't gonna work out. Why would you make yellow against green, man? It's just gonna make green, man.
Well, it made a light green.
Yeah, it's kind of pretty. So we'll add a different color. What color do you want? Pink. Pink? Okay, let's take this disgusting out and diarrhea. Diarrhea. Ow!
You got the rolling diarrhea. You got the exploding diarrhea.
Yeah, shut up.
Beep, beep, boop, boop.
Institution.
Oh, yeah.
You know, that one wasn't even good, so that came all out.
Missy,
Mix. Missy,
chew, Poppy. Boy.
Yeah.
Chew, Poppy.
Meow.
How do you spell chew, Poppy? Meow.
Stop asking me stupid questions. Okay. Oh no! A table! It's broken!
Oh no. Our table
It's broken. Is that a pretty prank? Shut up, bro.
Why? Because you're bad at it and I'm good at it?
No, that's not the reason why.
Yeah.
No. Do you know what song you can sing? Shut up and leave me alone and get out of this bathroom.
No.
Then shut up.
Okay.
Why you gotta be so loud?
I don't know.
Probably because you have a big mouth. That's why. So this slime's gonna be really big. So I think it's gonna go in the big spot in your container. Oh, it's really sticky. So I just can't.
Shaving cream.
So just wait. You know what time it is? 3, 2, 1. Shaving cream. Okay, let's do this.
Stop! No.
It's gonna be a tan color, so don't mind. Here, modeling clay. I'm making modeling clay right now. Modeling clay. Well, that was what you call it. Oh, you like this? You can make peoples with it. Shut up! This is gonna be sticky slime. Just tell me. How does that disgusting slime turn this to gorgeous freaking slime? Gorgeous. Okay, see you guys.